स्वागत है आपका हमारा स्टडी पॉइंट में। दोस्तों, आज मैं एक आपको नया टॉपिक पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ जिसका नाम है केमिकल फॉर्मूला, जो कि क्लास 9 का एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है और बहुत सारे बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम होती है कि कैसे किसी कंपाउंड का हम लोग केमिकल फॉर्मूले का फॉर्मेशन करेंगे और इसके लिए कौन से रूल्स अप्लाई होंगे, कौन से मेथड लगाएंगे कि हम केमिकल फॉर्मूले को आसानी से फॉर्म कर सकते हैं। तो बच्चों की इसी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए मैं अपना ये वीडियो आप यहाँ पे आज शो कर रहा हूँ, दिखा रहा हूँ, और इस वीडियो के माध्यम से आप किसी भी कंपाउंड के केमिकल फॉर्मूले को आसानी से बना सकते हैं और दूसरे को भी सिखा सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग देखेंगे कि डिफिनेशन क्या होती है केमिकल फॉर्मूले की। तो देखिए यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है बेटा, द शॉर्टेस्ट वे टू रिप्रेजेंट अ कंपाउंड with the help of symbols and valency of elements, or we can say that chemical formula is the symbolic representation of any chemical compound with the help of specific symbols. The chemical formula of ionic compound is determined by the charge on each ions present in them. Means we can determine the chemical formula of ionic compound by the charges present on them or by the valencies of that ions. Now I am going to discuss the rules for writing the chemical formula. There are certain rules by help of which we can write any chemical formula smoothly and properly. So I am going to just explain you the rules. So the first rule is the valencies or charges on the ion must be balanced. Means the charges, either positive or negative, present on ions must be balanced in any chemical compound. Second rule is, if a compound consists of metal and non-metal, then metal is written first. Means if there is cation and anions are present in any compound, then we should write cation first and then after anion. Okay. Now third rule is, if a compound is formed with polyatomic ions, then polyatomic ions are written in bracket. We use square bracket to write the polyatomic ions. Now here is a chart I have already made for the elements, and what are their ions, their valency and their name is written in this chart. So I am going to explain you one by one. Just see, the element is hydrogen. It forms H plus ion, its valency is +1 and its name is hydrogen ion. Second is beryllium. It forms Be2 plus ion, its valency is 2 and its name is beryllium ion. Next one is nitrogen. Element is nitrogen. It forms N3 minus ion, its valency is -3 and its name is nitride ion. In same way, oxygen element, ions form O2 minus, its valency is -2 and its name is oxide ion. Next is fluorine. It form F minus ion, its valency is -1 and known as fluoride ion. Next element is sodium. It form Na plus, its valency is +1 and its name is sodium ion. Next element is magnesium. It form Mg2 plus ion, its valency is +2 and its name is magnesium ion. Our next element is aluminium. It form Al3 plus, its valency is +3 and its name is aluminium ion. Next element is phosphorus. It form P3 minus ion, its valency is -3 and its name is phosphide ion. Next element is sulfur. It form H2 minus, its valency is -2 and its name is sulfide ion. Now our next element is chlorine. It forms Cl minus ion, its valency is -1 and its name is chloride ion. Next is potassium. It forms K plus ion, its valency is +1 and its name is potassium ion. Our next element is calcium. It forms Ca2 plus ion. Its valency is +2. Its name is calcium ion. Our next element is iron. It forms two ions, Fe2 plus. Its valency is +2 and is known as iron's second ion or ferrous ion. It is known as ferrous, Ferrous, ferrous ion. And if it forms Fe3 plus, then its valency is +3 and it is known as iron third ion or ferric ion, Ferric, ferric ion. Now our next element is copper. It forms Cu plus, its valency is +1 and its name is copper first ion. It also forms Cu2 plus ion. Its valency is +2 and its name is copper second ion. Our next element is zinc. It forms Zn2 plus ion. Its valency is +2 and its name is zinc ion. Our next element is bromine. It forms Br minus. Its valency is -1 and its name is bromide ion. Now next element is lithium. It forms Li plus 1 ion. Its valency is +1 and its name is lithium ion. Now here are some polyatomic ions, their valency and name. As I have already made a chart, just start one by one. The first polyatomic ion is OH minus ion. Its valency is -1. Its name is hydroxide ion. Next ion is polyatomic ion is CO3 2 minus. Its valency is -2 and its name is carbonate ion. Our next ion is NO3 1 minus. Its valency is -1 and its name is nitrate ion. Now next one is SO4 2 minus. Its valency is -2. Its name is sulfate ion. This is an important ion. NH4 plus ammonium ion. Its valency is +1. It is only the polyatomic ion which having a plus charge and rest all others are having negative charge. So NH4 plus 1, its valency is +1 and name is ammonium ion. Our next ion is PO4 3 minus. Its valency is -3 and name is phosphate ion. Next NO2 1 minus. Valency is -1 and its name is nitrite ion. And last SO3 2 minus. Its valency is -2 and its name is sulfite ion. Now here I have taken some problems and we are going to frame the chemical formula of these compound. So the first compound is sodium chloride. So as we know, the symbol of sodium is Na and its valency is +1. The formula of chloride is or chlorine is Cl. Its valency is -1. We are going to apply the crisscross method and the formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Next is magnesium chloride oxide. So for this the symbol of magnesium is Mg and oxygen O. Its valency is +2 and its valency is -2. We apply the crisscross method and the formula is Mg2O2 which can be simplified and finally we can write the chemical formula of magnesium oxide is MgO. So this is the chemical formula of magnesium oxide MgO and in same way NaCl. Now next is potassium nitrate. So the symbol of potassium is K and nitrate is NO3. The valency of potassium is +1, nitrate is -1. Crisscross method and the formula is KNO3. This is the formula of potassium nitrate and this is the formula of magnesium oxide. and this is the formula of sodium chloride. Just see. Now we are going to take some more examples. Now next question is aluminium sulfate. So as we know, the symbol of aluminium is Al and sulfate is SO4. Its valency is -2 and the valency of aluminium is +3. We should apply the crisscross method, and the formula of aluminium sulfate is Al2SO4 whole thrice. Next is sodium oxide. Sodium Na, oxygen O. Its valency is -2 and its valency is +1. Apply the crisscross method, and the formula is Na2O for sodium oxide. Next is aluminium oxide. Same aluminium Al, oxygen O, valency -2, aluminium valency +3. We apply the crisscross method, and the formula is Al2O3. So just see, the formula of aluminium oxide is Al2O3. The formula of sodium oxide is Na2O. The formula of aluminium sulfate is Al2SO4 thrice. Now we are going to take some more examples. Now we are going to solve some more examples. Our next example is hydrogen sulfide. So for hydrogen, S symbol is used. Sulfide, S, valency of sulfide is -2, hydrogen is +1. Crisscross method, and the compound will form is H2S. In the same way, symbol of copper is Cu. Sulfate, SO4. Valency of sulfate is -2. Valency of copper is +2. So here we use the simplest ratio, and the formula of copper sulfate is not Cu2SO4 twice. It must be simplified and written as only CuSO4. Next formula is zinc carbonate. Formula of zinc is Zn, carbonate CO3. Valency of carbonate is -2, zinc is +2, as already we have discussed above. So the formula of zinc carbonate is ZnCO3. And we are going to take our last example, calcium hydroxide. Symbol of calcium is Ca, hydroxide OH. Valency of calcium is +2, hydroxide is -1. Crisscross method, and the formula is CaOH twice. I am going to highlight the formulas once again. Just see, calcium hydroxide, and its formula is CaOH twice. Zinc carbonate, formula is ZnCO3. Copper sulfate, formula is CuSO4. Hydrogen sulfide, and its formula is H2S. So in this way, we can draw the chemical formula of different compounds by knowing the symbol and valency of different elements. It may be metals, non-metals, or ions. And I hope this video is helpful for all the students who feel difficulties in making the chemical formula of compounds. So thank you for your kind support and cooperation, and see you in next video. Thank you and have a nice day.